as you can tell by the title of this video is going to be about how to apply your lashes. This video has been highly requested. It takes practice, so you can't get too upset when you're applying your lashes. And like I said, makeup is gonna make you want to just throw your makeup across the room. This is like my go-to makeup for the summer. It's like lip gloss and eyeliner and lashes. But I'm gonna be showing you guys the different eyelash glues that I use. One of the eyelash glues that I use is it's not actually eyelash glue, it's weave glue. Yes, it's weave glue. But sometimes when you're trying to get a product for a certain reason, sometimes the product doesn't even work for that reason. You find something else that doesn't even have to do with that reason. It's weave glue. But it's $2, not even, it's $1.49. You could get this at any beauty supply. It's the Salon Pro 30-second Super Hair Bonds Glue, and you could get this at any beauty supply. This is a 1 fluid ounce ingredients. It's natural rubber latex, so if you're allergic to latex, then this is not for you. Next that I use is the Duo Glue. It's very cheap. I don't know the exact price for it, but everything will be listed in the box below. This is a 0.18 ounce. You could get the black glue one, I believe, but this is the white glue, and I haven't tried the black glue yet from Duo, but I will be trying it soon. This is white glue and it dries off white. If you apply the glue right on the lashes, you should be good because it shouldn't show. Moving on, I usually get some tweezers, and these are the Vintage Cosmetic Company tweezers, and I got this from an Ipsy bag. You don't want the straight tweezers that are just straight, you want the slanted ones. You could apply mascara before you put lashes, that's totally up to you, but I personally don't. My eyelashes are pretty long, you can't really see because of the eyeliner, but like if I apply mascara, they're long. I'm gonna give you some insight on what kind of lashes that I buy. When you buy lashes, it could be very, very difficult because you don't know which ones are gonna be good for you. These are the lashes that I wore for prom. They're very, very pretty. These are the Lilly lashes from the Sephora collection, and they're in the style Rome. These are mink lashes. These retailed for $30. But I'll tell you this, it was so worth my money. For like beauty supply ones, you really have to find the good cheap ones because most cheap eyelashes break just from you trying to take the glue off or from you trying to wash them. I'm not gonna lie, there's great drugstore lashes, you just have to really search for them. These lashes I actually got from the beauty supply. They're like on the more natural side. These I definitely need to put mascara for, so the lashes can really blend into the false lashes. I'm not sure where these are from, but wherever they're from, they're number 4 in natural. I know I keep talking and stuff, but this is very good to watch because when you go off to buy your lashes and the products for your lashes, you already have an idea on what to get. From me, I'm going to be using the Duo Glue. Beginners, I do prefer you guys using the Duo Glue. It has a wand, a very thin wand, so you can apply the glue very evenly on the lash band. Black glue is great for beginners, but the weave glue, there's no like wand, so you can put the glue evenly. You have to, it's like a pump, if you see what I mean. Like, it's hard to just put the thin layer. I'm going to be taking my tweezer and I'm going to be putting it in the middle of the lash band. So I'm just going to be applying the glue onto the lashes now, lightly on the lash band, and then I'm going to be blowing it. Then I'm going to go in again to put on another thin layer. This takes about 10 seconds to dry, it says on the box, and just blow on it. What I do is I do take a mirror, and I kind of just, when I'm applying them, I look down so I can see where I'm applying it. And I just go ahead and stick on the middle of the lash band first to my waterline. Then I go on to apply these sides and make sure it's really on there. Now it's okay if your eyes get watery at this part, because my eyes always gets watery. On the sides, you have to make sure you're really holding them down so it can really stick, especially on the inner corner. The inner corner really tends to just come off. I take the other side of my tweezers and just pat it